Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support. I wanted to shoot this real quick Alpha Outpost unboxing for this month. This is January. The theme of the month is called Tacti-Cool. I was really excited for this month's unboxing. I knew it had something to do with, EDC type stuff. So really cool. Real quick before we do get into the unboxing, if you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, they are a monthly outdoorsy type monthly subscription. The first box, if you would like to try it, is $5. You get your box and you like it, which you will, as I always say. Anything therein after is, I think it's like $40 a month. So far, I've really enjoyed all the boxes and packages that I have received from Alpha Outpost. Pretty much I've used almost everything that I've gotten from them. So to me, I think it's well worth it. But anyway, this is for you guys. Enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video after, make sure you hit that thumbs up. So unfortunately for this box, again, or package I should say, I had to check the package when the mailman dropped it off because of this big rip in it. So fortunately, the only thing I lost was the little patch that usually comes in the packages. They're like real thick morale patches, and they're really nice patches. That's the only thing that is missing out of the package, so I had to cut it open real quick. So let's go ahead and pull the contents out. If I can even do that. Alright. Oh, dropped something. Alright. Like every box, they get a card to tell you what everything is and what it does. I'll show you that after. The first thing I see is a nice tactical belt. I have quite a few belts, especially EDC belts. And this one, I have like maybe 4 or 5 like this. This one it's got the Cobra, get it out of here. It's got the Cobra connection. So basically, you twist those in and you pull that out. And that takes a lot of force to get that off. So this isn't just a, janky old belt buckle. This is a nice belt buckle. And of course, the belt, this will go good with my everyday carry. I carry every day. I don't know how many of you guys do, but it's like, I don't know, you don't leave home without it, like your car keys or whatever, your wallet, you don't leave home without it. That was the first item. The second item I see looks like a shirt. Let's see. Yes, it is a long sleeve t-shirt, and it says, does it say group therapy? You can see the nice little group of shells there, pretty nice, awesome. Long sleeve, so I'll definitely wear that. The next thing is, I don't know. Let's rip it open and find out. I apologize about the sound of the plastic. I know it's probably pretty loud. This is, I'm gonna cheat real quick. This is a Shemagh, S-H-E-M-A-G-H. I'll put it right here how it's spelled. And I believe this is for your head and your face. Let me see here. If I can get it unwrapped. It's kind of like a rectangular material. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't unfold it all the way. Sorry guys, this is all live. So it's like a great big handkerchief type style, big square. And according to this, you put it on your head, and I'll show you that real quick actually. It's pretty awesome. I'll definitely use this because it's cold in Ohio and it does get cold, so it's pretty cool. I might even actually hang this up on my wall because I like the design. The design's pretty cool. and it's got the little things that are hanging off of them, whatever you call those. And this looks like a I'm gonna say a dump table or little square cutout type thing. I can definitely use this. I've been wanting to get one of these because every day I come home from work, the wife gets mad because I take everything out of my pockets and just kind of throw it on the counter. So this will definitely come in nice for me. And as you can see, the stars, the stripes, American flag, pretty awesome. So once again, I'm gonna use every single one of these that's in this package, other than the patch not coming. That really sucks, but I'll leave all their links in the description box below, guys. If, like I said, if you're not familiar with them, they're an outdoor monthly subscription box. Like I said, everything I've gotten from Alpha Outpost, I've enjoyed. There's a lot of it hanging up on my wall, on my shelves. Just really cool stuff, really useful stuff. And this is just another package that I'll get to enjoy. I really dig this because I definitely needed one. The paper that comes with this is a list of the stuff that come in the box. Go ahead and let you guys check that out. Sorry about the reflection. And on the back, it tells you how to put that thing on. It's called a Shema, S-H-E-M-A-G-A. Real quick, I'll read what that is. The Alpha Outpost Shema, also known as the Kefye, sorry, Kefye, I don't know, guys, help me out in the comments, is a wraparound head covering that is essential for protecting eyes, nose, mouth, and neck from sun, wind, and sand. Methods of wearing the Shema vary, but wrapping the scarf around the head and face provides optical protection from the elements. This simple piece of cloth is so practical that the U.S. Special Forces, Australian, British, Irish, and Thai all issue a Shema to their troops. So that's pretty cool. And that's what it is. I don't know if you guys could see that. Little list of everything. But like I said, I'll leave all the links in the description box below, guys. Thank you as always for stopping by. I appreciate all the support. If you liked the video, please hit that like. Until the next review, guys, or unboxing, peace.